What I saw with cosmetic dentistry was changing the soul, the spirit of the patient, because it could truly make an impact on people's lives. What I did was I just decided I'm going to keep learning. I took so much continuing education. I traveled and found who the best were, and I learned from them. But the art part of it, I really had to learn. I started paying more attention to art, going to museums and things like that, seeing proportions and the fine details of color. Growing up the way I did, there was no art. When I was 12, my dad sat me down and told me I needed to choose who I was going to go with because my mother had decided to leave the family. And at that time I thought I needed to go with her to make sure she was okay. When I look back now, I think it was courageous to just go with my mom. We really didn't have a place to live. Very poor, and we actually became squatters. There were some people that helped get us a house trailer. They parked it in an old rundown orange grove outside of town. So we would go downtown and get water in gallon jugs from the spigots the whole time we lived there. After a while, the doors didn't lock, the windows didn't close. So I grew up with a lot of insecurity, fear. I also had a lot of shame around that, and so I kept it a secret in the dental practice. I didn't want patients to know. I never talked about my past. It was difficult for me because I just didn't feel like I had the social skills or the confidence to really have this practice. All of that was for a purpose, to make me persistent and to have that drive, and also the independence. When you do something over and over and over for many, many years like I have, you do get good at it. And so that's when it gets really fun, is to really develop the art.